Oh, it's looking like a cowboy hat.
A cowboy. Look at this mushroom. And then Herman. Oh my god. Wow. It's so beautiful. Tita. Don't touch that one, love, because it's poison.
That looks like candy.
Wow. Tita, guys. Oh, ang laki.
He's stuck together.
Then, dito pa. Ito yung paborito ko na mushroom.
Why is the other one stuck? It's a baby.
The baby, yeah.
That's
Ito yung
more.
paborito ko, na mushroom.
The baby is stuck to the mom.
Thank you, Lord.
That's a big one. Super
Ang,
duper
ano
big.
pa, oh, ang ganda ng ano, oh. Oh, ang ganda.
That's a big.
Very big.
That's also a big one.
Ang saya-saya.
I'm shaking more.
Ang saya-saya. Ang dami. Uy! Tadan! Meron na tayong kuha. Alay pan, small. Kakatubo lang nila. Tada! Is more there also? Look at that. I see big one also. Ito yung paborito ko talaga na mushroom. Yeah, I picked it up. Wow, it's so big.
Why are you cutting the skins up?
Oh my god. I love this one. Talaga.
Look at Andy. Super duper dirty.
This one is very good to eat. Wow.
I like the soup of that.
You like the soup, yeah? Oh, this mushroom.
I like the pink mushroom.
Yeah.
It's cool. It looks like we are like in a forest.
Ang dami na tayong
Oh,
kuha.
dear, Mama. Big one.
Hi, fun! More! Meron pa. Kakaano lang
Here
nila.
also,
Oh, ang
it's a big
ganda.
one.
Wow. Tapos, ang ganda. Tita.
Two. Why
Tita.
they stuck together?
Oh, is dalawa yung ano niya. May
Just
uod,
stuck
oh.
together.
Is have uod.
This one is like a ball.
Ang ganda pa ng ano, B. Super
Ang
ganda
more.
talaga, oh. Wow. It's so beautiful. Beautiful yung mushroom. Timing din di ko today. Kaya yan. O, diba? Ang ganda.
I see a red mushroom.
There's one more.
They're hiding.
It's hiding, yeah? And it's so nice.
You're
Tita.
hiding from me.
Oh my god. I'm enjoying to pick mushroom now, Alexander, because it's coming my favorite.
Mama, the one, they got that
They are
small one. That's a small
they're
one.
starting to grow now. It's best to pick this week. Kasi maganda pa sila. Tita.
How do we find that? Stop!
That's a big one.
I see another one.
Wow. Na, ganda.
Mommy, I see another one.
Tita.
Mama, look, I see another one.
Huh? No, that is not that one.
She's making
I
it.
don't know that mushroom, but we're gonna Google it if it's poison or not.
We need to smell it first.
Huh?
Smell it first. Smell that mushroom and smell that.
So,
What's it smell like?
very nice mushroom. Tita.
Cool.
Cool, big. And something.
I can see it.
I have more here.
I'm taking it with that.
I have more here. Tapos meron pa dito. Ay! Naibot ang ulo. I'm sorry for that. Tapos here. Wow. Ang dami, be. Did I not find something? Natanggal yung ulo. Saka. Pero ang ganda ng ulo, ha? Fairness.
You cut off it?
No, when I...
Was it broken?
Oh, ang ganda. Ang dilim ngayon. Ang
What was
dilim
it
dito.
broken?
Ang dilim dito sa
You
forest.
cut off the head. I see some. I see something dear.
You see something there?
Here, look.
Kami lang dalawa ni Bunso
on the
ang
baby
naghanap ng
trees.
mushroom today. Kasi si Kuya at saka si Ate nag-school. Tapos si Daddy na ano sa
I'll take that.
nag-school siya din. Para sa kanyang ano. Wow. Ang ganda niya. Uy. So good. Puno na yung basket namin. I found 2 bags. Wow. Oh my God. That's so big one. Tapos meron pang isa. Agoy. Okay. Ano na? Old na siya. Ano old na siya? Can fix that later.
That's a big one.
That's a big one, yeah. I found one.
How fat is that?
Oh.
Fat. Mama, I'm finding
Wow.
those fat. They're fat.
So beautiful.
Mama's fat.
Spot?
Yeah.
Oh. But this one is very good, Sander. When you
Yeah.
make a soup on this one.
I like soaps. I want to try the other soaps.
Ito guys, ang ganda. Tapos linisin natin itong nakita natin kanina doon na malaki. Parang ano naman siya. Ang laki talaga niya as in. Super lucky. Tada. Puno na hapit yung basket. Found one. And one more there. Pick that one, B. Do like that. Down. Tada.
Yo. I got it.
You got it. Uy, ang ganda pa talaga niya as in. Ito yung pinakamasarap kasi yung bagong tubo pa talaga
Fell down.
ang linis-linis sa loob, diba?
Yeah.
Okay. And then there.
I'm looking.
Oh, look, my love. Take that.
I don't.
Dami. I found a small one. Kinuha ko na lang.
I don't know how to
kasi
do it again.
kukunin to ng animals eh.
Look, Mama.
Kakainin
It's
ko
cleaned
ng-
already.
And one more there.
It's cleaned already.
One more there and there.
It's cleaned already. Here.
Buti yung kasama ko hindi nagre-reklamo.
Here's a fat one.
It's a fat one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fat one. It is.
Mama. The mushroom eating too much.
The mushroom eating so much. You're so funny, Bala.
I'm looking.
Ayan. Tanggal ang ulo na naman. Ayan. May maliit.
I don't see? I don't see the mushroom.
One more.
Oh, here far, Mama.
Oh,
This far.
not only one. That one.
This one, the baby.
No, the other one. We did not see it.
I don't see.
Pick it up.
It's a snail.
It's near. Okay.
Take out
Maybe
the
have one more
snail.
there. Gana clean guys para malinis na to siya. Wala akong brush na dala. Ang ganda talaga niya oh. Tingnan no. Ang ganda, ang bago pa. Ang ano.
Ew, that's a slime mushroom. Mama, look, it's a baby slime mushroom. I see some.
That is not that one.
Look,
That is another mushroom.
I touch his fat. Mom, look. I'm touching it so hard. Look, Mama. It's not, it's the same.
Should be red. So,
Look, Mama.
ito na yung na, ano natin na pick today. And one more. We found one more. Marami ito dito ah.
That's a big. That's a big one. That's a big.
Parang nakaka-enjoy mag-picking ng mushroom pag makakita ka ng marami. Sunod-sunod. Yan.
It's made like real mushroom.
That is real mushroom.
That's a
I see a very big one. Oh my god. That's a big one.
That's the biggest mushroom ever.
Oh my god. And also more there.
Yeah, it's a big one.
And so there. Ouch. Ano ba yung sharp? Yan. Tapos meron pa dito.
Look at that mushroom with some white. That's a big one. We find two big ones.
Yes.
We find two big ones. That's a very, very big one.
Oh, Tita. How big is that? How
That's
big
so
is that?
big.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're gonna be shocked if you see some big ones.
Oh?
They're gonna be shocked.
Oh my god, that's a very big one.
Yeah.
Very big.
I think people picking a big one.
Maybe you can find more big one there.
We closer to our car.
And it's good also, see?
Mama,
Wow.
while you park out here, you should see here, then stop the car and you can walk here, there's a big mushroom.
Oh my god.
How do you see big mushroom
Ito yung sira na siya. Sira na yung ano niya. Yan. Ito na lang yung tira niya. Oh. Wow.
That's a big one. Yes. A real,
Very big one. Oh my god.
that's a very, very big one. On this tire.
Oh my god, how big is this? Ang laki. Very good.
I saw
We're gonna
that
clean if it's dirt.
big one.
Super big.
Yeah.
Super big one.
Find it first.
Alexander find this big, super big mushroom.
This one looks so big one. That's a fat one.
Oh my god. Ang ganda pa niya ng ano oh. Wow. So big. Yung ano niya. Super ano na. Super lucky. Tatanggalin natin yung ano. Yung green.
We need to make it smaller.
Yeah. But it's still big. Oh my God. That was so big, babe.
Yeah.
You found so big. Oh, so
We need
big.
to go up there on the bridge now.
Ang super puno na ng basket namin. Dalahin namin to sa car.
Go back there.
Too much. The fat one.
It's fat. I see a broken one.
Oh,
They're broken.
yeah.
Eating too much food.
The mushroom eating too much food.
Yeah.
Why? Because he have big stomach. And it's, look at that. It's coming more. They're small. See, Tita?
Here's a broken.
And it's
Yeah.
very big stomach.
Well,
Ang
he
laki
eats
ng ano niya.
everything. You can just take it away.
Ang laki ng ano niya. Sa tiyan niya.
They have yellow in there.
So, wow.
A fat one.
It's so
How
beautiful.
fat is it?
Ito yung ano, mag-sister. Ito sila mag-sister. Ay, daot man, babe. Daot man,
What?
babe.
What's that? Is that something? Look,
That's the baby one. It's coming there, the
Look.
baby.
this one.
Mm.
The baby.
Lagay natin dito sa basket.
I take down the spider.
You can take your small.
You need to pick the big one from there. Always the big one here. And small is mine.
It's good one. Nice one.
Big one fell down.
Oi, it's something inside there.
Maybe that's the wrong mushroom.
No, that is the right one, but it's old. A big one.
So you told me to go there.
Ang ganan. Ang ganda pa
Mama,
niya,
look
oh.
at this stone. It's shiny and diamond.
Mm.
This stone is a diamond. Look, I found a diamond stone.
Mm.
We can keep it. It's
Yeah.
diamond.
Ta-da.
That's the red one.
Mhm. Sorry. The head is falling off.
That's poison.
No, that is not.
Grab and then push it up.
No big one.
Here. White yellow mushrooms.
Not that one, that is poisonous. This look like cantarella. That is poison. Ta-da! Ang ganda. I found cantarella also. Meron pa rin cantarella. You should take your small basket, love. Ta-da!
Where's my...
Oh, cantarella.
I'll make it half. What?
Part one more.
It's a fat one.
It's a pot.
It's a fat.
Tita. It's very fat. Yes.
You found the fat one. What's that?
Ganda.
Aunt's house. So,
They're hiding there.
they're hiding for you.
They're hiding for me, oh. The head.
Open your
We're gonna clean it because
It's next to
this is very nice one. It's brand new. Brand new. Bagong ano patutubo.
the head fell off. I told you kill it.
Then, oh. Wow.
They don't want people to pick up the.
Magagawa talaga ko ng soup today. Ganda. I guess that's on there.
I
my
gotta say how
God.
long is it? It's 100 meters.
Oh my God. Tingnan nyo.
It's bigger than our hands. That.
Wow. Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, it's like a cowboy hat.
Ikaw boy. Ang laki.
It looks like a cowboy hat.
Wow. How that can be growing so big?
I see something.
We're gonna clean this one.
We need always water so we can drink.
Oh my God. Guys, ang laki talaga niya.
Look at my hands.
Wait, you have bit whites there.
Hmm?
Ang laki pa sa mukha. Tatanggalin natin yung ano niya. Dito. Matanda na siya. Matanda. Tatanggalin natin yung ano niya. Kasi ano. Ito lang ano yung
You're
kakainin.
cutting off everything.
Because it's old. Only this one.
It's not bigger now.
I ruined it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I ruined.
You guys can do that. Break it.
Kasi
Break
hindi
that
ko man
one.
hindi ko man to kakainin tong ano, yung ganito. Pag ano na siya matanda.
You can just do that.
Yeah, you can do like that. You only need this one and this. So, we're gonna find more big.
I want to hold.
Yan na guys, ito na. Nalinis ko na siya. Hugasan ko na lang to. Sinislice ko na siya ng ganyan. Ito na yung lahat yung kuha natin today. Tapos itong isang basket na kantarel. Yan, lulutuin ko siya. Tapos ilagay ko sa freezer yung iba. Ang dami nito. Ang laki oh. Nagayan. Na guys. So ano ko na siya, i-boiled ko siya tapos nilagay ko sa ziplock. So meron tayong 6 na pack. Tapos nagluto din ako ng ano, mushroom, nilagyan ko ng cream at saka pepper. Yung ano, butter lang yung ano, hindi oil. Tapos gumawa din ako ng sabaw. Ayan. Nilagyan ko ng tanglad.